This is the design of S22 Ultra from backside, and it's look very strange to be an S series device because it is not following the S series design language. Instead, it is following the Note series design language. What does that mean? The death of Note series. If you don't believe this, consider these details as well. Look at the camera module. Why there is this weird cutout? This could be because Samsung wants to make room for S Pen in the phone itself, just like Note series. And I'm with Samsung on this decision to kill Note series. Hear me out for a minute for the reasons. People have already been thinking what's the differentiating factor between Note and S series, and S Pen was only practical difference there. And after the introduction of Fold series, it is not practical for Samsung to launch 3 flagship series in a year, where 2 of them are almost similar. Now there would be 2 flagship series, S series for traditional form factor and Fold for foldable form factor, which is being considered future by many people. I don't think they are the future, and why I think so? I've already talked about this in this video. In S22 series, regular S22 and S22 Plus would follow S series design language, the rounded corners and everything like S series follow, while S22 Ultra would follow Note design language, the sharp corners and this boxy look. And this is to give true Note experience to true Note fans, so they feel at home. Samsung have already tried to do this other way in S21 Ultra by providing a case to hold S Pen externally, and people didn't like this implementation because it wasn't convenient. While it was providing all the S Pen features in the software department, but it wasn't as convenient as to hold S Pen itself in the smartphone. And what's your take on this one? Let's discuss in the comment section.